Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. Well, howdly doodly, neighborinos. Welcome back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and today we're going to talk about a project that has me extremely excited, Seaside Investment Club. Invest into digital assets, real-world assets, and into your ideas. With Web 3.0 technologies on board, we provide financial and personal independence opportunities for their members. Now, this project is amazing. Of course, before I really jump into the meat and potatoes, let me go ahead and give you my friendly disclaimer. Please keep in mind, this is not financial advice. I am in no way a financial advisor, purely just a crypto geek who loves to talk about projects that extremely excite me. And in this case, Seaside Investment Club has absolutely got it going on. And I will go ahead and say with full disclosure, I actually personally reached out to the company before talking about this just to kind of ask them, kind of gauge them a little bit. I do like to do my due diligence on various projects, right, to make sure everything seems up and up, especially when it seems as promising as this one is. So this one has me extremely excited. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you. This is actually the founder. How would he like to be perceived? As a role model, selfless person who leads by example in all aspects of life. Be a better version of yourself today than you were yesterday, which is completely something that people have, in my opinion, lost these days, is the desire to make themselves better as opposed to just, you know, being stagnant or complaining if other people, you know, get better themselves. Both physically and mentally. We will create a platform that will allow people people involved in it to accomplish the same. And that's really cool. I actually got to set up a video call with Hussein just to ask him a little bit about it more personally, just because I had a couple of questions. And this is a project that, again, I'm honestly extremely interested in. You know, what's so cool, and he was mentioning about his team, is, you know, they're all from different backgrounds, different ethnicities, different religions. You know, it is the kind of group that wants to build out based on the person that you are, right? Who you are, as opposed to what you are. So I think that's extremely important. I think that's also something lost these days, even though we have this culture of, you know, oh, like, you know, people should be accepted, and I totally agree everyone should be. I feel that people allow themselves to be cut off into certain groups, even if unknowingly, and I appreciate Hussein is the kind of guy who, just genuinely wants to work to be a better person and make his project, this one, an absolute success. So that is exactly what it did for me. Gave me a lot of positive on this one. Apex Humanity NFT collection. These are really beautiful art. The individual is just as important to the community, or as the community, excuse me. Since we want to form a strong community, we want our community members to be stronger. This concept is deeply embedded within the roots of our first Apex Humanity NFT collection. It will consist of 10,010 unique NFTs, providing different club membership access levels for holders. 10 of them will be particularly great value. Learn more about the future drop in the white paper, which I'll show you the white paper a little bit. This is just talking about the white paper, which I will click through for you a little bit. And this is how to become a member in 3 different phases. Now, before we jump over to this, just going to show off their social media for a moment. You can kind of see some of the NFT looks here in the photos. So we got 1,500 and growing over here on Twitter, and your Facebook. We can see here on their Instagram as well. Now, their Instagram has, as you see, some really great depictions of what the art can look like. And I think that's really cool. I love these humanoid, you know, gold humanoid people. So I think that that's a really fun one. Now, we can see here, this is their Discord. I was checking through the announcements, actually, and their Discord is extremely busy. Extremely busy, a lot of people talking, and the team is really up on it about making sure that there are regular posts for this and making sure that you understand what is going on with this project as it goes. Now, this is the white paper for the project, which we will finish the video on, but we're first going to jump back over to the website, then back over to the white paper. So, become a member. After the first drop, we prepared several opportunities for you to become a part of the club. A club membership NFT series with 4 different membership levels. Generic, limited, generic design, limited supply of several tiers and various perks, and opportunities we provide to each club member. You can see Diamond member will be limited to a total of 5,000 memberships. Members of this tier will be able to invest in all facets of Seaside Investment Club, whether it be real estate, mining, or learn to earn. It will also provide full access to our social app and our learn to earn ecosystem. Just system. It qualifies for exclusive diamond NFT drops in collaboration with well-known artists within the coming market. That's coming soon. You can see gold, diamond, so gold just underneath it, silver, and bronze, and we can see it's different limits on the different memberships. So you can actually go through and check those out if you're interested to learn more. Now we've got the different phases, so I actually had that clicked on the wrong one. So that is just to become a member. We'll go through the different phases right here. So the different phases, this is, by the way, such a cool roadmap, such a clean roadmap. You know me, I'm a big fan of a good roadmap, and I personally want to see that you are making this project happen. So I'm not going to read through the entirety of them so I can have a little more time on the white paper, but I'm going to give you the generalities. So community contests, CRS program reveal, release of Apex Humanity, reveal event and giveaway results, and then phase 2 and membership announcements. Phase 2, release of Travel to Earn, release of Learn to Earn app, ownership NFT series announcement, release of membership NFT, charity voting system announcement, NFT drops for members, and phase 3, new projects and corresponding perks for different membership tiers, more NFT drops, and Seaside Metaverse announcement, which I think that's great. They're trying to build up towards their own metaverse. Now we've got our table of contents here for it. So I absolutely recommend coming through and reading through the entirety of the white paper. I don't want to go ahead and read through the entirety of it just because that might get a little bit boring. But can I change my life for the better if I decide to work hard? Absolutely. Can I expect to stay healthy if I take care of myself? Yes. Can I expect to be successful if I decide to do something about it? Yes. Now that's so cool that they put that. I love the inspiration there. Because, they really do believe that they can make their viewers and their people a lot better. And, not make them better, but help them become the better them. Because really only you can make yourself better, but, you can, of course, allow someone to help push you towards being the better you, which I think I'm very all about. That is honestly the only way I was able to ever host a YouTube channel like this or be able to do this kind of thing full-time for work. So I completely understand that. Now, club stands for community, and just a friendly environment of cool people who love to hang out, and, nothing crazy fancy, just really cool people. They believe that virtual worlds and digital currencies will play a vital role in determining the future of the planet, which I agree. People are stronger are stronger when they stand united. What is the Seaside Investment Club? Well, just a couple noties. Seaside Investment Club intend to combine various investment opportunities into one project, creating a variety of opportunities for its members. We would like to create a system that allows its participants to benefit from digital and real-life business-related perks via NFT technology. And that kind of explains it all there. The vision, basically they want to evolve rapidly and become a great project and just put the time and effort into it. They've got an entire team behind them as well. The reason, they want to focus on creating effective business models, creating a business out of the model, and further digitally upgrading the business with available distributed ledger technologies and smart contracts. Thus, the system behind Seaside Investment Club will distribute perks from businesses we build among the community members based on ownership NFTs they mint. So your investment is an investment into an actual company. That's what's so amazing about this. Basically talking about the meaning and structure, and you can sort of see here how everything runs with a nice little picture. And I'm telling you what, my friends, this collection is amazing. So you're investing in amazing things like this. And again, like this, there'll be great prizes you can check out as well. There's just, as I mentioned, there's so much to go over, the Learn to Earn project, and I really don't have time to go over all of it today, so I'm going to go ahead and end this here. Now, keep in mind, this is a project, as I mentioned, it has a really solid team working behind it that is working extremely, extremely hard to get things going. But, my friends, as always, thank you very much for coming by CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton. I will see you in the next episode.